Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number 3. So, in session number 1, actually, we just covered or we discussed about installation part, 1 second installation only, 1 second only, even not 1 minute installation, and another one is the history of the Python, third version, second version. And session number 2, this is little technical. So, we created variables and rules for the variables. Rules for the variable name. Variable name, official name is the identifier. Identifier. And yeah, so the 5 rules are important. 5 rules are very, very important. We have to discuss data types also. While understanding how the memory management for the variables, how Python allocate the variables memory, we used PVM, not we used PVM will come by default with Python software. So the memory allocation like ID function, type function, data type automatically, and print function. Help also I use it to see the result keywords. Till today, we have a 35 keywords in the Python that should not be used for the variable name. Otherwise, just refer the only section number 2 is little technical. That is also very basic one. Yeah, this is a one. When we create a variable, yeah, PVM is nothing but one small software which manage your Python related programs. Whenever we create a variable in this way, your PVM will look for empty cell and create it. And PVM table nothing but this is a PVM table we are calling. Similar to if you have a test book, school test books or any book, index page is available. Chapter 1, page number 2 to 20, like that. Like similar to that, page numbers, index page is similar to your PVM index table. Textbook index table is equal to your node uh, Python PVM table. So whenever you will call that one, the address it will go and address inside value it will return. That is a process it you can access the values. And Python variable now here is stored 5. Definitely one address is required. If you want to find out the address of that variable A of ID of A function. If you want to print A inside value, print of A function. By default, Python itself identify the your stored or saved or assigned value data type. Yeah, number, float, some strings. Definitely some name is available. But that work also done by Python only. If you want to understand which data type is used by Python, whenever you are storing Python itself will recognize, okay, this is an integer. Integer means general number. General number it will use. General number. It is a general number only. So by that number, yeah, sorry, type is nothing but data type name. Data type name. Python internally pick up that data type name. You don't need to define it. But one thing you need to remember. We have a strong idea on data types. It is not our responsibility. Why? Because based on your stored value, Python itself recognizing the data type. What is the recognized data type of the Python for your variable A? You can use type function. Okay, Python is recognizing. Please tell me what is the data type name means. You can use the type function. Like we know integer float, but other than this float string also we know. Other than this, we have some other data types also available. We are going to plan for today. And also I covered to you how what is the standard rules for the variable name. If you want to create variable name like x equal to 5, like my screen, I created here x equal to 5. Like that, if you want to create any variable, there are some standard rules are there. These are the 5 rules. Any variable name should come from this list, and underscore also valid. Total 63 valid characters for to write the variable name. Here x position, you can write any variable name by following these characters. Any character, any number of times you can use it, like line number point number 4. There is no limit. And point number 2 is variable name inside the digits are allowed only. I mean 0 to 9, total 10 digits. But a variable name never, first character should not be a digit. First character should not be digit. You can take alphabets or underscore, but not alphabet. Alphabets are allowed from the second character onwards. If you write first only number, this is a syntax error. And Python having some reserved keywords internally using, that keywords we should not use for the variable name. And point number 5, variable name always short and sweet. Like example I written on my screen, user underscore path underscore, sorry, directory underscore path underscore user. One directory path provided by user. One directory path provided by user. Meaningful. Short and sweet. Short and meaningful. Sweet means meaningful variables we have to pick up. This is a your session number 2 information. Especially 3 to 4 functions involved in yesterday's session. Once if you create a variable, that definitely stored some address location. If you want to find out that address location in the RAM or identification, you can use id function. Python itself recognize the stored value data type. This feature we can call as dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation. Example, C language, Java language never support dynamic memory allocation, which supports static approach. Means before storing a value to the variable in C and Java languages, even .NET also, first you have to inform the data type name integer A. Then only we can assign the value. Right. Now this is a previous session information. That's all. Yeah. Clear till now? Any confusion about session 1 is not technical. Session 2 only little technical. Is it clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now in today's session, we are going to discuss a print function in different style. Then data types. This is a today's agenda. Print function mainly to print any statement or message on the console or screen purpose. We can print any statement on the screen. Example, I am launching my screen ideally. Here in the Python ideally, first you can run dir. Normally you can run this command or function. If you run dir function, it will display which are registered in the PVM table. PVM table already having this one by default. PVM table by default having this one underscore underscore built-ins underscore some address location. And like this one, some names are already available, which is used by Python internally. Anything starting with the double underscore, you can call these are the magic methods or magic attributes. Starting and ending double underscore is there. Magic methods we can call. Sometimes render methods also we can call. But you are not created anything as of now. Automatically which are coming. But then next after, if you create one variable, then immediately see your PVM table. Now my PVN table registered one variable X. My PVN table registered one variable X. And if I create one more variable, yes, if I create one more string, you can see, which are loaded to the RAM. Nothing but PVM registered there in the RAM. These are loaded in the RAM at certain address location. If you want to find out the address, one only. Don't write two at a time. ID function, X address. Type function, which data type selected. Just concentrate which is in the quotes. And print the value, print function. Similarly, Y, ID of Y, type of Y. Similarly, Z, ID of Z, type of Z. Simple. For every variable, I'm asking 3 questions. For every variable, I'm asking 3 questions. I'm getting proper answer. I'm getting proper answer for each question. You can see, for each question, I'm getting proper answer. But what is the extra thing? Today, I'm going to use print function in the advanced level. Whenever I have a variable value is there, I directly written Y. But print function I am using in another style. So I'm writing some statement in the double or single quotes. Double or single quotes I am storing. Good morning, like that. I am storing in the double quotes. If you write anything in the double quotes, it will print as it is on the screen. You can see. If a variable, if I write directly print of A, sorry, what is the variable name? What is the variable name? Is it A? No, it is XYZ. This error is valid. This error is valid error. Is it valid? Is it valid error? Yeah, sorry. Is it valid error? Why I am getting an
Yes,
error?
yes,
Yes,
because
it is valid.
yes is A is not set in
A
our
is not yet created in the PVM by
yes.
PVM in the RAM. So I will write, if I want to print my own message, I'm writing in this way. But whenever I want to print a variable value, I'm writing in this way. So now, whenever the variable is there, print function, we can use maximum 5 types, 5 different styles we can use it. So example, now my target is I want to print, my target is any line starting with a hash symbol, which we can consider as a comment line. Good morning. I want to print this message. Good morning. And value is X inside value I want to print, but not directly 20. Use the X variable to print the 20 value. This is a question. Yeah. Is it clear about my target?
Please repeat once again.
By using the print function,
Hmm.
I want to see this output. But here don't write 20. Instead of 20, write
X.
the X variable. Why? Because
Hmm.
I want to print X inside value. Maybe next time I can change my X variable value. Is it fine about my question?
Yes.
So we know very well about string. This one we can write directly in the either single quotes or double quotes. We can write it. Value is A. What is your expected output?
Good morning
Will
value
be
is 20.
Not
Error
good.
in the same thing.
Because A value is not printed. Will the
A value is
We have
not
not created.
created yet,
Yes.
and
Okay,
even the
otherwise,
A value is
okay,
in
let me do
within the
one thing.
quote.
X.
Within the quote, you are mentioning this X and A variable within the quote.
Yeah. So what is your target? X is not X. X inside value you want to replace. Correct?
Yes.
Correct.
This part as it is you want to print.
Hmm.
Good morning and all. So write that one as it is
Done.
and write your variable side.
Hmm.
But this is a string and next one is the
Integer.
Integer.
variable or integer.
Hmm.
So the separator between them is comma. Always you should use the comma. Then it will print.
Hmm.
If I change the X value, you can see automatically it is changing or not.
Yes.
Whenever I'm changing the X value, it is automatically executing or not with new value coming.
Mhm.
So if it is a only variable X equal to 20, I can directly write in this way. If I want to only print message or string, I can directly write in this way.
Hmm.
But adding these two, so you want to print one string and then after variable,
Comma.
just separator comma. Again, if you want to print string, one more comma. Are you understanding my point?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Again, okay, you no need to write two strings, but you can write in this way. Why? And see, string after string comma, string after variable comma, variable after variable comma, variable after string also comma. But when you place one comma, maximum one only, it is giving to you one free. What is free? This is string as it is printing, but whenever I'm using comma, what additionally you are getting?
Space.
One space is coming, default one.
Hmm.
Like that, can I use two commas to get two spaces? Three commas, three spaces?
You will get error.
Error. Only one comma maximum. See, again I'm writing one more program. This time I want to print x value is a 20 and in the next line, otherwise same line, y value is 30, z value is 50. I want to get this output. Possible?
Yes.
Yes, possible.
Yeah. First, string or variable.
Code. Yeah. Inside a code. Yeah.
Yeah. String x value is
Comma.
comma
With x.
x
Comma.
comma
Y
string
value.
Yeah.
value
Y
is
value is comma
comma
y.
y. Again,
Then
z value is
that value is
z. You can see string after
String.
variable,
Yeah.
variable after string, string after variable, variable after string. Finally, you have in this. Is there any confusion?
No.
Will it work?
no. It will not.
Yes.
But after comma you have given extra
No.
space.
This will not consider. Comma is a problem, but spaces will not consider. You can see even if you give more spaces, consider as a one space only.
Okay. Okay.
For your easiness, string which is in
Mm-hmm.
quotes, we can consider as a string.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Even you can write in this way also. Sum is directly you can write one expression.
Mm.
It is not going to print to you three values. If it is a numbers, which is going to do the sum and it will print on the screen.
Okay.
Otherwise, this expression I'm writing in this way.
Mm.
Different line. Okay.
New
Separate line.
line. Mm.
Working?
Mhm.
Yes.
Even you can use tab spaces also here. Is after I need a tab. Great. Single line statement. But really, we are feeling difficult while using this one. it is not easy to remembering where is the comma, where is the full stop. More observation is required. But this is a one possibility you have. But there is a one more method also there. Instead of this, print function only, but you have to write format specifier. F character, small f you have to type. F after either two double quotes or two single quotes you have to write. Either two double quotes, either two single quotes you have to write. Don't
What
give
is
any
F?
format specifier.
Format. Okay, specify.
Format specifier. So even if you give comma f after, it is an error. So between them means between the quotes, you can write format specifier works with curly braces. We can call these curly braces actually. Curly braces we can call as placeholders. Means I'm writing good morning. Values are, write the variable names inside of the brackets. No need any comma and no need any full stop. See everything in the one format. Normal string, normally you can write it. Wherever you want to place the variable value, are you getting my point? Wherever you want to replace the variable value, that variable write in the curly braces. Are you understanding my point?
Yes.
Now, which is easy? Really, is it work? First of all, will it work?
Yes.
Yes, it will
Excellent
work.
or not? Now, compare this line to now current line. This is really we have to feel difficult, right?
Hmm.
But it is very easy. I will take one small program in the Python, ideally file, new file. Control S or save this file. On my desktop, I am saving this one. First PR1. Take the line numbers from the options. User underscore name is Smith. Version equals to 3.7. Location equals to India. I created three variables in front of you. Yeah, just I'm writing comment line. Creation of three variables with values. And print them. Print them. Just anything starting with hash symbol, that is a comment line. Print either double quotes or single quotes. User name is, can I write in this way user underscore name?
Yes.
Yes.
Even no need three times, just for your understanding purpose I'm writing.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Are you thinking anything wrong?
No.
Line number 7 and 11 just designs. Don't think about them.
Yeah.
Just designs only.
Yes.
Line number 8 has, I think,
Quote.
yeah, 8 has double quotes, wherein the 9 and 10 has single quotes. I'm not sure if that
It will work.
Anything is fine.
it
Both
will
are
work.
fine.
Okay.
But
Yes.
two sides double quotes, two sides single quotes, but not one side double quote, one side single quote.
Thank you.
Any one of them is fine in these two.
Yes.
Yeah. Save this file. Why? Because file name above, there is a one star symbol is there. File name above, before file name, one star symbol is there. Already we saved this file with first pr1.py. No need to provide the extension. But the star symbol is there. Star symbol means changes
Mhm.
not yet saved, correct?
Yes.
See, if I run this program, it will give me one prompt first of all. The reason is, first of all, it is unsaved changes. Source must be saved.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay to save?
Yes.
Then it will
Yes.
work. Otherwise, now if I am providing one space, now if I run this program, will it work or will it give me a prompt?
Yeah, it will work.
No.
Where you have given school?
Give a
Yeah,
prompt
line number
because star
12.
is still there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give it,
Some star symbol is there.
save it first.
So it will give the message
Yeah,
to,
prompt will come. Do you, I mean, save this
yeah,
file, correct?
correct.
Generally, whenever we work with the MS Office or MS Word, Control S keyword we can use. Control S. We don't know
Yes.
what is a Control S. Even in the notepad also same nature.
Mhm.
I'm writing something. Star symbol is there in the above.
Mhm.
Star
Mhm.
untitled notepad. I'm going to save this file. Like sample. Already sample file is there. That is the reason. Yeah, sample is there. While typing, are you observing one some star came?
Yeah.
Yes.
So if I try to close this one, it will ask you, do you want to save or not?
Mhm.
Yes.
But for example, if I press Control S or if I come to file and save option, if I close blindly, it will close now. Correct?
Yeah.
So already latest changes are updated there. Latest changes are updated there. That's why it is working fine. Okay, can you print these 3 lines in one statement possible? Instead of these 3 lines, can you write in one line? But I need to see
Yes.
3 lines output.
Yes. Yes. Like separator, line separator, by using the line
Yeah,
separator.
first line I'm copying, then slash n, then second line, then slash n, third line. No need this one now. It will work. I am going to comment, otherwise you can delete it. Okay, this is also we can write it before. Great.
Yes.
Otherwise, you can create one variable. That variable attributes I want to print on the screen. Means variable address, variable function, data type, and value. Are you understanding my point? I'm saving this
Yeah.
program first of all. First PR2. I'm writing in this way.
Mhm.
Value x
X.
slash n.
Type.
Separator.
Data type. Here won't s I can write it, right?
Okay.
Mm.
Data type.
Type. Can I write
X.
function name? Yes, you can write happily, not only variable name. A function name also you can place in the place folder or curly braces.
Why we cannot write only X?
If it will print the value only. If you write the x, it will
Okay.
just going to place the value of
Yes.
the variable only.
Correct.
So, but my
Mm.
intention is I want to place not only the variable value, data type of it, even not that I want to print address location.
Mm.
What should I write here? ID of
Uh,
ID of
ID, X. Correct.
normally you can in the function just to place inside of the curly braces.
Mm.
And not only that, even mathematics square is x multiplied with x.
Mm.
A mathematical expression I written on the screen. X power 2, I mean. Really, will it work?
Yes, it will work.
Everything is good, but here I'm getting extra space. Why?
Okay, after n you have given
After
space.
n you given a space.
Yeah, this is a one. Now again, one more time.
Hmm.
You can see now it is perfect.
Hmm.
1 second, okay? Yeah, now great. This is fine. You can write print function, which is easy. First one or second one. Totally. After, yeah, compare this one and this one. Definitely we can fix to method 2. Still two more methods also available for us. Still two more methods also available for us to work with printing. But presently we can move with second option. Yeah. Now come to the data types concept. So how many data types as of now we know before coming to Python? Okay, maybe you can give that answer.
Integers, then
3 is a
float,
integer,
string,
decimal number or float number,
string.
string, string represented by str. There is no character data type. What is
Mhm.
the difference between character versus string?
Character means only ABCD. String means character, string and numbers. I'm not sure.
Character means single character, any one numerical alphabet. Sorry, my mistake. Any alphabet
Hmm.
or anything in one character, just one character, right?
Okay.
But string means collection of characters. In Python, there is no data type of character, not available.
Hmm.
Everything string only, that to str, represented by str word. Str word. So like that, really it is not our responsibility. Why? Because Python itself recognizes the data types based on the assigned value. That feature only we are calling dynamic memory allocation to the variable names or variables. But it is a time to understand sometimes typecasting is required. What is a typecasting? One new word I am using in today's session. What is a typecasting? Any idea?
No, sir.
Yeah. Converting one data type to another data type. Converting the value from one data type to another data type. Example, 3.9 is there. It is a float number. Convert to integer means like 3 or 4. Are you understanding my point?
Yes.
Converting one data type to another data type. Converting one data type to another data type. Definitely we have a strong idea on the data types. So in that point, not only this is a scenario, but how many by default are built in? Built in means built in by default data types we have to understand. Python freely providing to you 14 data types. If you learn this one, you are good at 30% of Python course. They are data type name is data type name. One is an integer data type, float data type. I'm pronouncing as a data type, not function. Boolean data type, complex, none. One line I'm drawing. Next one, range data type, list, tuple, str, dict, byte array, bytes, and set, frozen set. These are the 14 data types Python is providing to you. Everything is important, especially line number 6 to 10 and 13 also. Python freely providing to you some data types. We need to understand this data type. Whenever you are asking a equal to 20, then after type of a, what is the answer we are getting? Class, comma, inside int word you are getting. Am I right? Are you observe these chains? A equal to 20, type of a. You are getting this answer only, na? You are getting this answer only, na? These answer is
Yes.
nothing but what is the quotes inside one? In single quotes, we have something. What is that? That is your data types.
Data type.
This is a data type name only we have. Like these place, these 14 names can fill. These place, the 14 data types you can place. You can see, I am writing something. Don't think about it. Observe that one of them coming. Line number 7. Point number 7. Yes. Some different names are coming or not?
Yes, yes.
Point number 10. So we need to we need to understand deeply about these data types. So in that section, so this is only going to take 20 days time to understand this data type. That's why if you learn this data type properly, if you attend for live or if you are following the daily recorded video, you will learn 30% Python end of this data type section. So first one, only by heart part only will come in the list only. Here only you are going to by heart 11 names. Anywhere you never feel difficult, but list is a ultimate one. Even if you are attending for AI, list is a mandatory data type. Even we are converting NDRA to list to NDRA. Today also we converted dictionary to series, dictionary to pandas, data frame object. List is ultimate one. If you know the list, almost every data types we can easily understand from 6 to 14. Yeah. Now the first data type name I am going to write here. This is a data type name is integer. Very clearly I am writing data type name. And first of all, integer data type we can create in two ways. One is this is a 1, a equal to 5. This is a we can call as a direct method. We can create the integer. But there is a one more way also available. But one more way before, what is an integer is a question. It is also important, just basic math. What is an integer?
Numeric value.
Numeric
Numbers.
value. Okay, any numeric value can I call?
Yes.
Minus 5 is integer. Okay, 5 is integer.
Mm-hmm.
What about minus 5 or 0? So what is the exactly definition of integers? Integers means combination of plus numbers, minus numbers along with
0.
0. You
Okay.
can represent them on number line. a set of whole numbers. Whole numbers, again, there is a big story. Whole numbers, natural numbers means starting from 1. Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3. These we can call natural numbers
Mm.
represented by n. Whole numbers means started from
Mhm.
0. Natural numbers, whole numbers, and another today is a integers. Whole numbers plus this side you can write the negative numbers. You can see set of whole numbers and their negative counterparts. Simple. Otherwise, you can see one definition. Number line. This is your integers. This side positive numbers are there on number line, and negative numbers along with 0. And there is no big number. For example, if you take any two numbers on the number line, which is a bigger number?
7.
7. Simple rule is, if you take two numbers, in that which is right side of another one, right side is a bigger number. Am I right?
Mhm.
Yes.
Correct.
Simply same implementation, -7, -3, which is a bigger number?
-3.
-3 only. -7 and 0?
-7 and 0. That
It
is 0.
0 only. Which is right side, that is a bigger. Left side is a small.
Okay.
Generally, when I am asking positive numbers, it is easy to give answer. 4 and 8, 8 is a big. But come to negative number, little confusion will come. A negative number with highest value with negative symbol, that is a smaller. -8, -2. In this 2, which is smaller number?
Smaller number is 8. -8.
Left side for smaller, right side is a bigger number. Bigger number. Yeah. So that all the things we can create it in the integer format, like x equal to -5. Yeah, valid. Is it valid number?
Yes.
Y equal to -30. And z equal to 0, 2. Valid?
Yes.
Yes.
But error.
Mm.
So in our, for example, in the calculation or when we write a amount, 2 rupees, we will write 0, 2 rupees. So that 0 prefix concept is not available in the Python. 5, 5 only. Don't write 0, 0, 0, 5.
Okay.
And there is no concept of comma. If you want to represent 2000 rupees into one variable, don't write in this way. No comma concept. If you write comma, it becomes as another data type. No, sir, 2000. I have a 2512 rupees. If you write in this way, it will work. But what is the data type? Some other than integer or not? Other than integer or not? So
Yeah.
don't write prefixes with zeros. We know in the mathematics there is no value. To represent like Indian commas concept or million billions concept also, don't write the commas. Yeah, this is a way we can create the integer. Good. But what is the second method? We will see in the next session. This part. Clear till today? Everything is clear. I'm going to start data types from tomorrow. You know just basic idea of integer. But what is a direct method, function method, float? Integer takes some time to get more details. We have to understand more details about it. So tomorrow I will take maximum 1 hour. Today it is insufficient time to start the second method of integers. Yeah, fine. This is for today. We will connect tomorrow.
Sir,
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Sir, is there any platform or is something where we get some task to practice? Uh,
On weekends.
uh,
So, I mean, you can practice it, but not now. Yes, you can go to the,
in Google, if I can search anything where
no,
we get a task to practice, any website, something.
presently, yeah, okay, yeah, maybe available, we have to say, but presently, after completion of the data
Yeah.
types, you can give the multiple answers.
Okay. Hmm.
What is the answer for this?
Which built-in function? Built-in function is used
Type.
data type. This one type, yeah.
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, presently, we don't know these data types names. Correct?
Mm.
These data type name, just we observed some name today, but we don't know. Fine, we can understand this one in upcoming days.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Thank you. That's all. This is for today. I will upload this recorded video into the drive. I will share it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.